In this example, I'm going to show you how to use a motion tween to make an object rotate. So the first thing you need to do is we have a soccer ball over here. I'm going to select it and press F8 to convert it to a symbol. Now that it's a symbol, it's already on the stage. I'm going to set my tween span. So I'm going to press F5 to insert a new frame. Right click, create motion tween. And then I need to make the ball move. Oh, let me first show you how to create the rotation. So I'm going to put my playhead on the last frame, and if I click on the tween, which is this blue area, you'll notice that in the properties panel I can set the rotation. So I'm going to set the rotation to 2. That means it's going to rotate twice throughout this tween, and you can set the whether it's clockwise or anti-clockwise. I'm going to make it anti-clockwise. And then when I scrub through this animation, you'll notice that the ball does rotate. The last thing I want to do is make the ball actually move, so I'm also going to move it. And you'll now notice when I play through it that it moves and it rotates. Just out of interest, to show you, if I change this to clockwise, the rotation, then the ball will look like it's moving backwards instead of forwards. Remember, you can also change the size. So if we change this to back to counterclockwise, and maybe we put it going into the distance and we make it get smaller, then it could look like the ball is rolling away, disappearing essentially. But that is how you change your rotation. The next thing I quickly want to show you is, I'm just going to undo that. So currently the ball is rolling counterclockwise twice, is to add some easing. So easing will essentially make the animation start slowly or end slowly. So you can add some ease in or ease out. I'm going to make ease out so that it slowly comes to a stop at the end. And the reason you can see this is when I zoom in, you'll notice that the frames at the end of the tween are closer together, which means that there is easing applied. So if I play this animation, you'll notice it slowly comes to a halt, which looks a lot more realistic. I can also change this to ease out, to ease in. And you'll notice that now the frames at the start of the animation are closer together. And if I play that, then it starts slowly and then it gets going. And that is all I have to say for rotation and easing.